welcome back to my channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So today is, I think, the 22nd, or the 22nd. So we're about 3 days away from Christmas. Can you believe that already? Anyways, I have so much doing and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna get started today is I'm gonna season up the meat and stuff that we're gonna prepare for, that I am going to prepare for Christmas. And I'm gonna try to see if I can make cereal today. If I can, then that's a plus. It's been a long time, years, since I actually make cereal. Years, more than 5 years. probably about 7 or 8 years. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can try to get that out of the way. But I'm gonna make some seasoning first, and then I'm gonna season up meat. I think I have goat and chicken, probably two different types of chicken, but those are just the main meat we have. This year mom is not coming over, or I'm not going to mom this year. It's because of the whole thing we're going the whole corona thing and stuff. So that being case, we're just kind of doing everything a little bit smaller. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna season up and stuff. The kiddos in there behind me, say if you hear the noise in the background, you don't know, say I them. We'll probably speed up some of this video as well, if we kind of just keep it going faster. But yeah, that's about it what I'm gonna do today. This evening, tonight, I don't know what I'm gonna lead into. I also wanted to bake. I'm gonna try to put that in either tomorrow or maybe not. We'll see. There's just so many things that we kind of just take the time and I'll take them off of the list. Tick. Plus, we have other things I do as well. So, bear with me. Alright. Okay, so everything is defrost out. I don't think I'm going to use the tripe. I have some goat tripe here. I don't think I'm going to use the goat tripe. But we have the goats right here. What do you want to do? No, I'm going to season up the meat. What do you think I'm doing? When I'm ready for you, I'll call you. I'm desperately want to make cookies. That's the reason why. But yeah, when I'm ready for you, I'll call you, okay? So we have some chicken wings. I'll probably do some chicken wings, but I have to clean up all of these chicken wings that I have here. One big bowl. But I have to clean them up either way. I'll kind of portion them out and put them down in the freezer. We have chicken drumsticks. We have some drumsticks. We're going to deal with it as well. So we have a few things to season. We're not doing no fish nor no ham this year. Anything like, or no pork or anything like that. Just to keep it simple as anything. Just use this for cleaning up.
Why my pizza for bone up so I'm dry up?
Yay, pepperoni.
My patty. Why I use my metal calendar?
Thank you.
Why I use metal? Oh yeah.
This is just a love by your boss.
Why I use my small bowl?
Because I want to, man, I gangster.
Give the baby puppy.
It's backwards. Backwards said.
What do you know?
Nothing. Hey Google, play some Jamaica gospel. Hey Google, play some Jamaica gospel. Hey Google.
Hey Google. Play some songs on my phone.
No Google.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
4.
Hey Google, play some Jamaican gospel.
Hey Google, play some Jamaican reggae.
In the shade for the window.
Best of the 90s old school reggae mix 2020 coming to you.
Yeah!
Sanchez.
Yeah! Yeah!
Weapon station on YouTube.
Bomba!
Leave that to me, Rocky. I can carry him up on my fire truck's ladder. See? Easy peasy.
Okay guys, so finished washing and cleaning up the meat. We have the goat here, we have the chicken here. What's wrong with you? And we have the tripe right here. So I'm gonna cut up the tripe, season up the goat with regular seasoning and wet seasoning and dry seasoning with curry, and then just wet season, dry season with the chicken legs. Those chicken wings over there, I'm gonna rinse them, wash them up with the vinegar and everything, and then I just portion them out into some Ziploc bag. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna make the seasoning now for all of these though.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
So guys, we got two seasoning full. I'm gonna use this one for the meat them and this one to put into the fridge because I like to have a marinade into the fridge whenever I want to season up something quick. Alright, so we're gonna start with the goat. The goat. Okay guys, so finished with all the seasoning up, the cleaning and the seasoning up and all of those things. So we have the curry goat here. I put them into a Ziploc bag so it's easy to store into the fridge until Christmas. So yeah, we have the curry goat. We have the seasoned chicken drumsticks. I probably bake some, probably French fry some. All depends, kind of still on the fence of what am I gonna do with it. Probably just French fry the amount that I need. Then I have the goat tripe right here. I normally cut it up. This is how I normally see my mother do it. My mother normally cut it up and season it up and put it down. And on the day, you know, I have to pressure cook it so it's tender. So it's gonna taste really good like how it's seasoned a couple days in advance. So yeah, so we have the goat tripe, we have the drumsticks, and we have the curry goat. The curry goat. So yes. So that's about it for this vlog, guys. Thanks for watching again. This was just prepping, prep with me basically video. Hope you do enjoy. I'll see you guys in my other video. All right, later. My God.